Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th day of September in the year 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.52. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.12%. This results in an average return of 0.04% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits within a broad declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood for further decreases within this trajectory. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately negative 8.84% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from negative 16.42% to positive 1.29%. When we examine the longer-term outlook, our analysis over the past 12 months points to a projected change of negative 25.39%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to positive 75.35% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price ranging from $0 to $29.67. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group features the headline: Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price ended at $16.92 on Thursday after gaining 0.237%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 0.237% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 11th of September, 2025, rising from $16.88 to $16.92. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.14%, with a low of $16.80 and a high of $17.16. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 5.58% during this time. The trading volume decreased by 443,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 5 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $91,450,000. It is important to consider that a decline in volume, along with rising prices, may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 69.06%, or $37.76, below the 52-week high, and 78.68%, or $62.46, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price hit $79.38. Trump Media's ticker DJT experienced significant activity in the financial sector this week, filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission for 5 America First exchange-traded funds. These include the Truth Social American Icons ETF, the American Security and Defense ETF, the American Next Frontiers ETF, the American Energy Security ETF, and the American Red State Real Estate Investment Trusts ETF. The registration statement indicates that these funds aim to launch later this year. This initiative follows a strategic agreement with Crypto.com to acquire Kronos tokens, alongside previous efforts to integrate these tokens across Truth Media platforms. This move signals a clear shift towards asset management, financial technology, and cryptocurrency utilities. In the short term, these headlines may boost the stock due to momentum and retail interest. Exchange-traded fund filings and cryptocurrency agreements serve as straightforward catalysts for speculative buying and spikes in trading volume. one can expect heightened volatility associated with the timelines of SEC reviews and any forthcoming details regarding fund structures or token holdings. Over the long term, the success of this endeavor will hinge on effective execution. Key factors include obtaining approvals for the exchange-traded funds, generating fee revenue, monetizing the Truth.Fi platform, and the performance of the cryptocurrency treasury. If these new business ventures are successfully monetized, they could diversify revenue streams and support a higher valuation multiple. However, if approvals are delayed or regulatory scrutiny increases, DJT may face challenges related to dilution, reputation, and regulatory risks, which could negatively impact its valuation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. The stock warrants close observation. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently displays a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this gives rise to an overall negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $17.48. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $16.88. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would issue an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, August 15, 2025, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 8.54%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 148 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 143 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $16.68. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a robust trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 360 cents between its high and low, which represents a 2.14% change. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.78%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face challenging periods, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, a persistent negative PE ratio may suggest inadequate profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $16.68. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of August 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sell of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 22nd of August 2025, George Edward Bell Holding performed an insider buy of 23,105 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the same day, Bernhardt David Longley also conducted an insider buy of 23,105 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 3rd of March 2025, George Edward Bell Holding made an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 20th of February 2025, Bernhardt David Longley also made an insider buy of 0 shares. Based on the 86 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 18.933. In total, insiders acquired 227,045,725 shares and sold 116,050,810 shares in the last 86 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation presents several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. Our analysis of the volatility and price movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 12th of September, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 4 cents and commence trading at $16.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.